I'm Mike here at Side Ditch Motors. If you got a 2018 GMCTerrain throwing all kind of crazy lights as far as P3055 P3056 and also brake assist, and your battery's about 5 years old, well, it could be your battery, and I found that out the hard way. I've been crawling all around this thing for about 2 days. It's got like 8 grounds on it, but all it was a simple fix. Go get you a battery. Thank you.